Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite snack of all time. That's right, we're making Spam Musubi. And remember, if you email this recipe to your friends, make sure they check their spam folder. Leo cooks things, I cook things. Let's make some Spam Musubi. We're going to start by cooking up about 1 cup of sushi rice. And today I'm going to show you a really awesome hack on how to get perfect rice every time. Get a rice cooker. Let's make a sauce. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of mirin, and then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of double fermented shoyu sauce. If you want, you can just use soy sauce. But I like the double ferments. It gives it a nice rich. It's weird. Such a weirdo. And we're going to finish it up with 1 tablespoon of white sugar. Now give it a nice whiskily wabbit. We're going to go until the sugar is diluted. If I whisk it this way, it looks like magic is whisking it. I'm like Molly Weasley. And that's our sauce. Reserve the sauce for later. And now for some real magic. Wow, that's amazing. Music to my ears. Oh. Whew, I would love to wear that as a cologne. Now we're going to cut up our Spam. You should be able to get about 6 or 7 musubis out of this. I actually just learned from ChatGPT that Spam comes from trees in the Spamazon rainforest. It's crazy. You're all natural to me. Let's cut up some nori. No regrets. Do a couple sheets of nori. I'm going to use the musubi mold as a reference just to see what size I want to cut the nori. This is what I'm looking for. Salty paper. Let's fry some Spam. We're going to do a medium-high heat. Now put that Spam down. You don't have to add any oil here because the Spam is super fatty. Like your sister. That's not very nice. Get yourself some nice color on that Spam. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's spamore. Beautiful color on that Spam. Woo! Yeah, talk back to me. Don't talk back to me. These are ready. These are pretty. I've pulled the span off. The span, not the span, the Spam. I've pulled the span off. One more time. I've pulled the Spam off. We got it. Now I'm gonna add our sauce to our pan. I'm gonna let that thicken up a little bit. Now we're putting our Spam back in. Get a nice coating on the Spam. It's gonna give them a nice little glaze. Look at that color. Look at that color. We're gonna let these cool down a bit, then we'll be ready to build. First, we're gonna put down our nori, put our musubi mold. You can find these molds online super easily, but if you can't be bothered, a can of Spam will do the trick also. Put down a little bit of rice, and then we're gonna use the mold to press it down. It's a very meditative experience. Yeah, perfect little rice thing. Now we're gonna sprinkle on some furikake. Furikake, that's a fetish. Sprinkle on some furikake. Then we're gonna put on our Spam on top. Oh, that's pretty. And then we just roll it over. Yeah. And then on to the next one. And that's how you make Spam Musubi. I'm hungry. Best part of the day. Every time. A little bit of sweetness, a little bit of savoriness. The perfect snack. And I'm not talking about this guy. Bye, friends.